channel, my friends. I hope you're having a wonderful day. My name is Chris and you're watching Lehigh Valley Back to Business. And on today's episode, well, guess what? We're plowing snow again because we're in the middle of a heavy snowstorm. As you can see on that camera, we already got 6 inches of snow on the ground. As always, if you like what you see, help support my channel, click that subscribe button. Let's get into that video. So hey guys, I wanted to show you something a little crazy. So the weight of the snow, we've probably got close to 7 inches now. And the weight of the snow and how heavy and sticky it is, sticking to everything, right? So I wanted to show you, there is not any wind. You can see how calm it is, right? There is 0 wind. And I don't know if you can see, but look at this line shaking. That is shaking from the weight of the snow by itself, just shaking. That's some crazy stuff right there. Look at that. Thought you guys might want to see something like that. Alright my friends, I've been up for 24 hours. We got 7 or 8 inches of snow here. This is the 4th storm in 4 days. I am wrapping this up. I hope you enjoyed the video. As always, like it, share it, smash that subscribe button, support the channel, and we'll see you next video.